2012 Mazda 3. Right rear lower control arms. Jack the car on the rear cross member. Lower right side onto a jack stand at the pinch weld. 20-volt impact wrench. Link in the description below. Put the tire below for safety. Spray these with penetrant before. 17 millimeters. Same thing, the upper 17 millimeter. Remember the dog on it. Link in the description below. Again, this will face aft. This will go this way. And below in the knuckle. Alternatively, tap the dog bone down and raise the knuckle up. Hand tighten these down, torque them to the link in the description below. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.